This next song is also about love, but it's not that song. This was written by my better half, my significant other. We had an experiment. She came up with the lyrics, I came up with the music. This song is the product of that experiment. This is called Tama Ka, or in Tagalog, Tama Ka. Sarap sariwain ang malayang kahapon. Ang hirap isipin kay layo